Hello everyone, I'm a local Chinese living in China, so I will use my pad to teach you how to write and how to speak it in Chinese. So it is interesting because on the internet, so there's a lot of resources, but I think many resources, I think I needed to create some resources for the foreign language learner to learn the authentic Chinese. And I'm a native speaker of the Chinese living in China, so I will use my knowledge to share my Chinese knowledge to you. So today I will share with you how to write the Chinese, write it and speak it in Chinese of America. So America. So how to write and speak it. The America in Chinese. Okay, now let's go to my pad. I will show you how to write it. Okay, let's go. Okay, so now welcome to my pad. Now I will write it correctly in English. America. America. How to write it in Chinese? Okay, so let's change another color of in Chinese. 美国 right, it's easy, right? 美国 and I will give you the phonics. 美国美国 which means America. I'm from America. 我来自美国 I'm, for example, I'm from America. So I write it in Chinese. How to say it? I, which means 我 来自 from, which means 来自美国 Okay, I'm from America. 我来自美国我来自美国我 I will give you the phonics. 我来自 Okay, 我来自美国 It's easy, right? So 我来自美国 I'm from America 我来自美国 It's easy, right? So 100%. Okay, so just learn these simple words and you can do some practice to avoid missing, avoid to just forget this right. Okay, I will write again. 美国 America. It's easy to write it, right? Okay, so if you feel this video is interesting, just subscribe and thumb up. Just saying thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.